There I was sitting down thinking about my future, running scenarios and deep in thought. I was asking myself, how would you feel if, and this made me think harder. I pictured myself in the scenario. Then I thought about the great success and things that would happen. I thought about the negative things also that would happen. And decision making is either emotional or logical. Most people go on logic to ensure that they make the right decisions. We want to empower our customers' logic to think through how having us help them will impact their lives positively and what small hurtful changes they may also need to make. Here's some great examples. How would you feel if you came into an amazingly clean space and you were able to relax? Your competition passed you. You lost it all. You became the go-to person for your industry. The greater the contrast of the before and the after, the more they will move towards the future. How would you feel if